हेलो एवरीवन। आई होप लास्ट स्टोरी आपने एंजॉय करी होगी एंड आई होप आप एक्साइटेड होंगे मेरी तरह। नेक्स्ट वीक मैं इस मेस से आज़ाद हो जाऊंगी। आई नो एक्साइटमेंट बहुत है आपको भी एंड मुझे भी। बट अब लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाई आई एम हियर टुडे। सो लेट मी टेक यू इनटू माय वर्ल्ड, ट्विंकल्स वर्ल्ड। तो अब तक आपको ये पता चल ही गया होगा कि हाउ मच आई लव इट व्हेन समवन लूजेस देयर हेयर अगेंस्ट ए विल एंड हाउ मच आई लव टू बी पार्ट ऑफ इट। आज की स्टोरी कुछ ऐसी ही है। आई मीन आफ्टर एक्सपीरियंसिंग निशाज हेयर कट, मेरे अंदर जैसे एक करंट सा लग गया था एंड आई वॉन्टेड मोर। आई वॉन्टेड टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट अगेन and was literally looking for a prey. Soon enough, वो prey मुझे मिल भी गई है। Her name was दीक्षा। दीक्षा मेरे ऑफिस में काम करती थी and she was my boss's secretary. She was someone who was always doled up थी, even जब जरूरत ना हो तब भी सजी धजी रहती थी वो। एक मिस्ट्री थी उसके बारे में, एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए तो थी। अब हाउ डू आई नो कि सब मेरी तरह सोचते थे कि नहीं। जब से मैंने उसे देखा था वो हमेशा अपने हेयर को एक बन में रखती थी एंड हमेशा स्कार्फ से ढककर अपने हेड को रखती थी। लाइक हमेशा कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने उसे हेयर ओपन देखा हो या किसी और हेयर स्टाइल में देखा हो। And the thing that amazed me most was the size of the bun. It was big, like this big. So, अब मेरे लिए दो मिशंस थे। पहले उसका हेयर देखना किसी भी तरह, उसका बन खुलवाना, एंड दूसरा प्लान था उनको कट करवाना। किसी भी तरह बस ये दोनों काम करवाने ही थे मुझे, मगर दोनों ही काफी डिफिकल्ट थे क्योंकि ये लड़की जितनी ज्यादा ढोलदप होकर खुद को दिखाती थी उतना ही उसमें एटीट्यूड भी था। आई मीन शी वॉज एरोगेंट एज हेल। सारा दिन शी वुड सिट एट हर डेस्क आउटसाइड बॉसेस ऑफिस एंड हम लोग तो जैसे उसके लिए ऑर्डिनरी थे जिनको वो घास भी नहीं डालती थी। सीरियसली गाइस, सिर्फ बॉस को चाय पिलाने के लिए इतना एटीट्यूड? हाँ। एनीवेज, आई हैड अ फ्यू थिंग्स वर्किंग फॉर मी। फर्स्ट, आई जस्ट गॉट promoted, so the staff was mostly under me, even her too. And my boss was really strict. I mean, seriously strict when it comes to certain things like how the employees presented themselves during client visits, how the office was, and the work ethics. So, I decided to take advantage of the rules and regulations and added one more rule made by me. I told my boss, there have been too many irregularities in the office during client visits, and we should implement a rule of 3 strikes. If an employee makes 3 mistakes, we should punish them, not fire them. मुझे पता था ऑफिस में कोई मिस्टेक्स नहीं करता है। मेरा टारगेट सिर्फ एक ही थी एंड आई न्यू उससे कैसे मिस्टेक करवाना है। Our boss loved my idea. I didn't think she knew why I had implemented it, but now the plan was in motion. I now worked so I would deliberately make her do the mistakes. मैंने ऑफिस गैदरिंग अनाउंस की for all the employees to discuss general proceedings. She, being herself, didn't show up for it. So that was the first strike. The second was when I switched her file while she was talking to the boss. She got yelled at for this mistake, and I got her second strike. Casually, मैंने उसके पास गई and I told her, "You have 2 strikes." उसने बड़ा arrogantly मुझे ignore कर दिया. So I told my boss the same. उन्होंने उसको बताया कि if you have a third strike, you will face the punishment given by me. Third wala had to be precise, I knew. I had to do something which would lead to a punishment haircut. तो जब हमारे एक important client आए बॉस से मिलने, I decided it was time. I went to her as she was making coffee and distracted her for a few minutes, allowing myself to add a strand of hair in the coffee mug. उसने ध्यान नहीं दिया and coffee mug में डाल दी. It was it. I knew her fate was now sealed. जैसे ही क्लाइंट ने बॉस को पॉइंट आउट किया, there is hair in his coffee, बॉस बहुत एम्ब्रेस हुई. But क्लाइंट के सामने she didn't want to create a scene, so she apologized and asked for a different cup for him. But क्लाइंट के जाने के बाद I was called in. मैंने एक्साइटमेंट कंट्रोल किया and I went in. बॉस बहुत गुस्से में लग रही थी. I asked her, what happened? She told me the whole thing. She called Diksha in and जैसे ही वो अंदर आई, बॉस तो उस पर बरस पड़ी. मतलब I did not even know उनको इतना गुस्सा आता है. She asked me to figure out a fitting punishment for her or hand her resignation letter by tomorrow. It gave me an idea कि एक waiver letter भी बना लिया उसमें. I wrote कि employee अपनी मर्जी से agree कर रहे हैं or for the punishment given to them and they are responsible for it. मैं अगर एक सिंपल ट्रांसलेशन दूँ उसके रिएक्शन का, तो she looked really under the gun. I knew for a fact वो ये जॉब नहीं छोड़ सकती थी, because nowhere else she would have got this much pay for doing nothing. And she knew she will have to face a punishment by me and in front of every other employee. Basically, people she considered nothing compared to herself. She was told to leave. I stayed an extra few seconds more in office intentionally, then left telling my boss I will execute her punishment tomorrow evening after office hours. I went out, gave a smile to her, and went straight to my desk and started working again. She came to me and asked what punishment will be given to her. Now, I won't lie to you. I was enjoying it a lot. लग रहा था अब ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे है. ये लड़की हम लोगों से बात तक नहीं करती थी. And now she was literally there standing beside me with a face asking for mercy. I knew I had to play it right. So I told her, बॉस को कॉफी मग में हेयर मिला, so the punishment will be related to hair. Her face went pale when I said hair. She was not expecting that at all. Her immediate reaction was, no, I can't do that. What will you do to my hair? I won't allow any of this nonsense. So I just replied, I will type your resignation and you can sign on it if you don't want to face the punishment. Almost looked like she was about to rip my head off as she walked away from me back to her chair. I loved it. Finally, I had her on the ropes. and it was time that I executed my plan. Before coming to the office next morning, I met with a barber near my home. I told him what I was planning and asked him to be at my office at 5 in the evening. जब मैं ऑफिस पहुंची थी तो दीक्षा अपनी डेस्क पर नहीं थी. I settled down my desk and started working. Well, it was more like passing time with different thoughts of executing her haircut later this evening. After minutes of me sitting down on my desk, she was back again beside me. वो कुछ कह नहीं रही थी, बस she was standing beside me with a sad face. I was enjoying every moment. This really. She stood there for like half an hour before asking me what I had decided. मैंने अपनी चेयर उसकी तरफ किया and I handed her the resignation letter. Diksha, two choices हैं. Either you sign this or wait till 5 to know your punishment. What I can tell you is your hair is the centerfold of your punishment. She asked me if I could talk to her alone for a minute and took me to the cafeteria. She told me she loved her hair a lot and she loved the job too, but she didn't want to get punished for this. She was literally begging with me for over 10 to 15 minutes, but I knew ये सब बस बचने के लिए है. She was arrogant, mean person because still मेरे अलावा she was treating all other employees like they were their subordinates. So I told her, it's not in my hands. It's boss's order. And she had only two choices, resign or face the punishment. The rest of the day went like a flash for me. I don't think it was the same for her. All the day I saw her, pacing up and down the corridor, moving around. कभी मेरे पास आती, कभी बॉस के केबिन की तरफ देखती और कभी फोन में टाइम देखती. I was excited by every minute that was passing by. At around 4:45, बाबा को कॉल आया था and he was asking me for the directions to the office. It was really exciting. I couldn't believe this was happening for real. अभी तक उसने बन के ऊपर से स्कार्फ नहीं उठाया था. ऐसे छुपा कर रखती थी वो हमेशा की तरह अपने हेयर को कि और ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा था वो हेयर खुले देखने के लिए. I knew there must be very long hair underneath that bun, but exactly कितने long hair थे ये नहीं पता था. And I was excited as hell to see them open in my hands. जैसे ही 5 PM हुआ, बॉस अपने केबिन से बाहर आए और उन्होंने मुझे अंदर बुलाया. She asked me what will be done. So I asked Diksha to come in boss's office. मैंने वहाँ उनके सामने से दीक्षा से पूछा if she is ready for the punishment or she will resign. उसने अपना हेड नीचे करके धीरे से बोला I will take the punishment. बॉस के सामने वैसे भी उसका वो ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाती थी. Okay then. I told the boss we will start the punishment as soon as my stylish arrives. I lied in front of her, not telling her it's a barber, so she would not freak out. Boss asked me to gather everyone in the cafeteria. जब तक मैंने कैफेटेरिया में सबको बुलाया तब तक बाबा भी आ गया था. He called me and I guided him to come inside. बॉस ने दीक्षा को बोला तो सिट ऑन द चेयर. उसके बैठते ही सारे स्टाफ के गर्ल्स लोगों ने चेयर को सराउंड कर लिया. बॉस आस्क्ड दीक्षा टू साइन द वेवर. वंस शी साइंड शी आस्क्ड मी टू एक्सिक्यूट द पनिशमेंट. दीक्षा बहुत साइलेंट बैठी थी. वो कुछ नहीं बोल रही थी. शी वॉज नॉट इवन मूविंग. बस नीचे देख रही थी. आई आस्क्ड द बार्बर टू स्टार्ट. उसने दीक्षा को बोला स्कार्फ हटाने को. शी डिड नॉट लिसन एट वंस. सो मैंने बोला उसको स्कार्फ हटाने को. She looked at me with anger in her eyes. उसके कुछ 30 seconds मुझे ऐसे घूर रही थी जैसे खा जाएगी. फिर धीरे धीरे से अपना स्कार्फ उतारा. It was one of the big moments for me. For the first time मैंने उसका बन देखा था. And I was now sure her hair must be longer than hips. Soon enough वो मोमेंट भी आ गया था. बाबा ने उसका बन खोला एंड उसके लंबे हेयर उसके बैक से होते हुए ऑलमोस्ट फ्लोर तक टच कर रहे थे. दे वर एक्सट्रीमली लॉन्ग. आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट ब्लोन अवे सीइंग हर हेयर. नो वंडर वो इनको छुपा कर रखती थी. इट लुक सो थिक, सो सॉफ्ट. आई कांट इवन टेल यू हाउ amazing it was looking at her. बाबा से जलन हो रही थी. He took out his comb and started combing her hair. A long beautiful hair from tip to toe. Around 10 minutes तक उसके long hair को comb किया. Then एक ponytail बनाई. ऑफिस के सारे स्टाफ दीक्षा को उतना ही हेट करते थे जितना वो उनको करती थी. तो everyone was very excited to see what was going to happen next. I think at this point Diksha too wanted to know what's going to happen to her hair. So for a moment she wasn't looking down in anger. She was looking towards me. बाबा ने पूछा मुझसे should he start. I asked my boss if we should. She just nodded in agreement. And I did the same looking at the barber. अब यहाँ से जो हुआ वो मैंने भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था. जैसे निशा के टाइम क्लिपर्स निकाले थे इंस्टेड ऑफ सीजर्स, उसने फिर क्लिपर्स निकाले. एंड आई जस्ट थॉट वो पोनीटेल कट करेगा एंड देन आगे क्या करना है पूछ लेगा. But he kept the clippers on her forehead and ran them straight down to the back, to the base of her ponytail. सबके मुंह खुले के खुले रह गए. Even my own. उसके सर पे से स्किन की स्ट्रिप देखकर. But बाबा ने किसी को संभलने का मौका ही नहीं दिया. उसने क्लिपर्स फिर फोरहेड पर रखा और सीधे पीछे ले गया. And he did it 3-4 times within a span of 1 minute, leaving no hair on her head. She was looking at me the whole time and I was looking at her head with my mouth open like everyone else. बार्बर को मैंने तो इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दिए थे, मगर he continued. He was done with the top. He started running those clippers on the right side of her head, then the left side soon enough. We could only see the skin, all the hair all removed hanging to her tail at the back. He pushed her head down to her chest and started shaving her head on her back. He asked me to hold her ponytail and I knew he did it intentionally because he knew I loved it. उफ, उसके हेयर इतने सॉफ्ट थे कि मैं क्या ही बोलूं. I was holding her ponytail up when he was shaving her hair underneath it. It took him minutes. He took the tail from me and shaved it completely down to skin. He gave me her ponytail once it came off. I had not intended for this. Diksha was completely bald and there was no hair on her head. The barber used his clippers and ran them back, front, and sides once more to make sure she bald as a cue ball. I literally couldn't believe my eyes. वो तकली हो गई थी. मैंने मुंडन करने को बाबा को नहीं कहा था. बाबा ने मुझसे पूछने की जगह बॉस से पूछ लिया if she was happy with it. बॉस ने ओके कहा. We paid him and he left. Everyone was in shock with it. Boss आगे आई and she kept her hand on Diksha's head. This is not for anyone to laugh or feel good. This is the punishment for anyone who reaches 3 strikes. उन्होंने सबको बहुत क्लियर कर दिया था कि anyone who doesn't follow rules will end up in the same position. Being fair, I loved her saying to the staff and सच बोलूं तो आगे और भी stories हुई इसी वजह से. And I loved this rule and I loved taking advantage of this rule. एक बात बस चेंज नहीं हुई, दीक्षा का एटीट्यूड. नेक्स्ट डे वो ऑफिस आई, सेम रोज की तरह अपना हेड स्कार्फ से कवर करके. बस डिफरेंस ये था, पहले उस स्कार्फ के नीचे लॉन्ग हेयर होते थे, अब शी वॉज बॉल्ड अंडर इट. बट उसका एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स अदर स्टाफ, स्पेशली माई सेल्फ, कभी चेंज नहीं हुआ. शी नेवर टॉक टू अस. एंड जब भी बात करती थी, she would talk down to us like we work for her. Anyways, I hope you liked the story. बस 7 दिन और and I will share with you my new look. I'm bored of this hair now. So tell me, what should I do with them? In comments. जो hairstyle comments में best होगा, I will try that hairstyle. See you.